Let us discuss Ember.js interview questions and their answers. What is the difference between root and router in Ember.js? Root and router both are different terms in Ember.js. A router is a medium which is used to connect the application with a browser's address. On the other side, root is a location where the request of a user reaches first after it is made or translated by a router. Root only is responsible for defining the data that is to be sent to the template. What is Ember.js? The Ember.js is a model view model, MVVM, pattern-based JavaScript web framework. It is an open-source framework which is used to create scalable single-page web applications. What are the different template components in Ember.js? Is there any similarity between them? Various template components are potent in Ember.js and are used for specific purposes related to running the code in an error-free manner. These template components are view, outlet, render, partial, yield. They are similar in one aspect, and that is they can be called in all the programs with similar functions. What do you know about model in Ember.js? A model is a beneficial useful approach in Ember.js. It is used to store persistent state in an Ember application. It is used to reduce the complexity of the task. Templates can merely be supported, and developers can always make sure of required data that is necessary display with the HTML page. This data is generally in the form of text, and there can be a limit on the same depending on some factors. What is Ember Inspector? The Ember Inspector is a tool which is used to debug the code of an Ember application. It provides a way to interact with Ember objects and view its properties. Which function in Ember.js is a Boolean function? Log binding function is a Boolean function in Ember.js. How popular is Ember.js web framework? According to a research, Ember.js has a market share of about 14.69%. So, it is an excellent opportunity to move ahead in your career in Ember.js development. What are the different common functions of Ember.js packages? The different common functions of Ember.js package are 1. Empty. It returns true if the value of the dependent property is null, an empty array, empty string, or empty function. 2. Bind. It provides an easy way to integrate third-party libraries into your Ember application asynchronously. 3. Is array. It returns true if the passed object is an array or array-like. 4. Compare. It compares two JavaScript values. 5. Type of. It returns a consistent type for the passed object. 6. Is equal. It compares two objects, returning true if they are equal. What are the features of Ember.js? It contains HTML and CSS at the core of the development model. It is used to develop reusable JavaScript web applications. It provides the instance initializers. It can be used to manage the URL. Which function in Ember.js is used to test whether the value is an array or not? The isArray function is used to check whether the value is an array or not. It returns true if the passed object is an array or array-like. The objects are considered to be array-like if any of the following are true. 1. The object is a native array. 2. The object has an object at property. 3. The object is an object and has a length property. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications for latest videos.